What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another banger. And in today's video, I have the 2009 LeBron James All-Star Game jersey made by Mitchell and Ness. And I'm going to do an unboxing, a full detailed review for you, and then I'm going to hit you with an unbody. And we start right now. I would like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by, spending your time with me, and checking out another video. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James, and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports-related items. And if you all could take a moment out to do that thing I like and destroy that like button for your boy, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss anything. Now this LeBron James 2009 All-Star Game jersey retails for $350 and I got a great deal on it at the NBA store. And I only paid like $135 for this jersey. So this was a no-brainer must cop, because I do have the 2009 Kobe Bryant one that I did pay $350 for, and I really like that jersey a lot. And this LeBron James one for Team East, I really like the colorway a lot. It just came. And you know, LeBron James is a beast and everything like that, but this colorway is one of the main reasons why I decided to pick it up, besides, you know, paying only $135 for a $350 jersey. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys, and we're going to take a look at it together. It does come with looks like a single piece of tissue paper. And here's our first look at this jersey. And BAM! And my first impression right out of the bag is this colorway does not disappoint. I really do like the navy blue with the light blue. It does have some hints of black on it. So I mean, like, this jersey and the colorway definitely does not disappoint at all. And when it comes to this 2009 All-Star Game, looking back on it now in hindsight, it was very special because it was the first time that Shaq and Kobe played together on the same team since, you know, Shaq got traded away and stuff like that. And then they won co-MVPs, and Kobe let Shaq take the trophy home. But LeBron James' team ended up losing the game and everything like that, but this was during LeBron's first stint with the Cavaliers, and since he was from Ohio and stuff like that, and he'll probably be remembered as a Cavalier, having that Cavalier logo was pretty dope. And guys, I know I've already said this, but I can't express to you enough how much I love the colorway on this jersey. It's just gonna match so many of my hats and shirts and sneakers that, you know, I'm looking forward to actually putting some outfits together and rocking this jersey around. Now, back in 2009, the actual jerseys that the players wore at the All-Star Game, that was made by Adidas. So this jersey isn't gonna have your Adidas stripes or the Adidas branding or anything like that. And in the past, I have seen those jerseys for sale online, the OG Adidas ones. You know, they were going for big money, you know, and they're actually hard to come by. So if you're lucky enough to find the OG, you know, you're probably gonna have to come out your pockets and spend a lot of money to get it into your collection. Now, this Mitchell and Ness reproduction of this jersey is probably gonna be your best bet to add it to your collection in an affordable price range. So now that I got it out of the bag, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at this LeBron James jersey. Now, starting inside of the neck collar, you're going to get your white Mitchell and Ness tag. And then below that, you're going to get your red size tag, and this is a 44 large made in China. And then you're going to get a couple of tags attached to the jersey. You're going to get your Mitchell and Ness retail $350 retail price tag, and then that Hardwood Classics tag. Now, on the side of the jersey, on the chest, you're going to get your All-Star logo, that star with the NBA logo right there. And that's actually heat pressed into the jersey. It's not stitched or anything like that. In the center of the jersey, you're going to get your lettering. So you're going to get that East. And it's multi-layered, so every color is a different layer, and you can actually feel it. It's very thick, very, you know, well done, but it is not stitched. It's also heat pressed as well. And the same thing goes for the number 23 here. Now, as far as I know,
What was going on at that time was the NBA and Adidas was trying out different technology as far as jerseys and lettering and stuff like that. And this was part of that experiment. So Mitchell and Ness made this jersey to the exact specifications of that jersey that was worn by the players. Now, on the side of the jersey, you're going to get this multicolored striping. So, you got your baby blues, royal blues, purple, some black. Very detailed, very colorful. On the bottom left hand side of the jersey, you're going to have this patch, and it is actually embroidered into the jersey. So it says February 15th, 2009, LeBron James, Hardwood Classics, Authentic, Mitchell and Ness, and then it does have the size on the side, which is a 44 large. Now here inside of the jersey, you'll get your laundry tag, and this is made from 100% polyester, and it does say made in China, and on the reverse side, it does have laundry instructions on how to care for the jersey. And now we're moving to the back of the jersey. At the top, you're going to have your Cleveland Cavaliers logo that LeBron James played for at the time. And then you're going to get that number 23 and that James lettering that is all heat pressed, just like it is on the front. There's nothing stitched on this jersey except for the jock tag that's on the front of the jersey. But overall, I mean, like, it's a nice jersey. It's not bad at all. It's definitely true to the time period. So, if Mitchell and Ness would have went ahead and made this jersey stitched, it wouldn't be authentic to the time period. But I don't think they should be charging $350 for this jersey either. I think it's, probably a tad bit high as far as, what it costs. But now I'm going to go ahead and throw it on and show you what it looks like on body.
Now, when it comes to this LeBron James jersey right here, I really like it. I think the colorway's fire. And when you're buying a product from Mitchell & Ness, especially in the basketball line, whether it's a swingman in the lower tier category or an upper echelon authentic, Mitchell & Ness always gives you a quality jersey. They don't really let you down too often, or if at all. So, this jersey retails for $350. I wouldn't pay $350 for it. I've seen these go on sale at different retailers multiple times. So you probably, if you wait around and, keep an eye out on it, you'll probably be able to pick this up for a good cheap price the way that I did, $135. Now, I think $135 was a steal for this jersey because, most swingmans go for $130. So this was definitely something that I had to cop, and I don't regret my purchase at all. Now, when it comes to sizing for this jersey, I recommend going true to size. So whatever you would typically normally wear in a Mitchell & Ness basketball jersey, whether it's a swingman or an authentic, that's the size that you should purchase. But I do have one disclaimer, and that is, I feel like they run a little bit short as far as length goes. Now, this is my second one of these. I also have the Kobe Bryant version, and I just feel like they just run a little bit short. It's not that big of a deal. It's not that noticeable. But if you're a little bit taller or you like more of a baggier, longer fit, you might want to go up a full size, but I don't really recommend it. Go true to size. But I want to know what you think about my jersey pickup right here. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching another video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.